Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to access EA Play with Xbox Game Pass on PC. First, make sure you have an active Xbox Game Pass for PC or Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Without this, EA Play will not be included. Next, confirm that your Xbox account and your EA account are linked. If they are not, you will be asked to connect them the first time you try to play an EA game. Use the same email address for both accounts to avoid problems. Now open the Xbox app on your PC and sign in with the account that has Game Pass. In the app, go to the search bar or browse through the Game Pass library. When you see an EA Play game, select it. Choose Install. The Xbox app will automatically open the EA app to manage the download. If you do not have the EA app yet, it will guide you to install it. Log in with your EA account when prompted. Once the download is complete, you can launch the game directly from the Xbox app or the EA app. Every EA Play title available with Game Pass can be found in the playlist section. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.